everyone. My name is Arnold Lowenstein with North American Power Savers. We're here in my home in Hayward, California to demonstrate to you an exciting new product. What this product can do for you is save you up to 10% or more on average on your energy bill every month. The product is called Mega Power Saver / EMI Filter. And over the course of the next few minutes, I'm going to be doing a demonstration showing how the product works and what it can do for you. So without any further ado, let's get started with the demonstration. First off, what I'd like to show you is our electric demo board, which is a representation of an electrical system in any average home. We have power coming in. This represents our service coming into the home. We have some circuitry, we have lights, we have an appliance switch here, and we have some test meters. The test meters, I've strategically put the probes in an area where they can be seen, so you can see without any question of where we're getting our voltage readings from and where we're getting our amperage readings from. Right now, we have 124 volts coming into the board, representing the circuitry in this home. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on some lights. As of right now, we've got no amperage drop because nothing is on. So we're going to go ahead and turn on a few lights and power up the board here. Okay, we've got our fluorescent lighting on, and our amperage is going to start to climb a little bit now. It's about 88 amps, and it may rise up when these lights, once these lights completely fire up and they're in full swing, it's going to be almost 1 amp. Now, the lights themselves are not what the power saver is going to help with. What they help with is any inductive load. And an inductive load is any load that creates a magnetic field, which would mean any motor in your home, any power supply, TVs, your computers, items such as that we use every day. And many of them are plugged in 24 hours a day. So we're going to go ahead right now and we're going to turn on our 1/2 horsepower motor represented by the garbage disposal and watch our amperage gauge. Right now we're about 1 amp. Go ahead and turn on that 1/2 horsepower motor. I apologize for the glare. And watch this amperage gauge here. It jumped up to about 17 amps. Now, the Mega Power Saver device, which I'm going to show you right here, is a very basic plug-and-play device. You just plug it right into any outlet in the home. You just plug it in, as I'm showing you right here. And as you see right now, we've got 5 amps, 5.4 amps. We're going to go ahead and turn the Mega Power Saver on and watch the amperage meter right now. We drop the amperage by simply turning on the Mega Power Saver. We drop that amperage by almost 2 amps. Now that's a very dramatic change, and that's how it's going to be saving you money. You're going to have dramatic changes and you're going to have minimal changes, even minute. But at the end of the month, as I stated before, you're going to end up with a minimum of a 10% or more savings on your energy bill on average. And that's where you're going to get your savings. What it's doing is it's lowering the amperage draw to the motor. The motor is requiring less current, meaning that it's creating less heat and therefore saving you money. We're going to go into our next test now, and our next test is going to be our power factor test. We'll get on with that in just a second. With the power factor test, we're going to show you the dramatic change that the Mega Power Saver has on any inductive load such as a motor. First off, we're starting out with a power factor of 1.0. We have nothing on. We go ahead and we turn on our motor, keeping an eye on the meter here. Power factor drops to, levels off right about 0.35. Now we turn on the Mega Power Saver / EMI filter, turn that on, and look at that power factor change. It almost doubles the power factor, which is a very dramatic change. And as I stated before, you're going to have dramatic changes and you're going to have minimal changes. But at the end of the month, a guaranteed 10% or more off your energy bill. The next test we're going to do is we're going to show you the EMI filter portion of this device, which you'll find quite interesting. In every home that has electrical wiring, which we all do, there's always electromagnetic radiation in every room, in every part of the house. The EMI filter in this unit makes a dramatic change in that electromagnetic radiation and lowers it to levels that are much safer than they would be without it. We know through research that levels that are below 100 milligauss are safe. Levels above 100 milligauss are not as safe, which makes sense. So we're going to show you right now in this room, we're showing about 550 milligauss. We're going to turn on the EMI filter and watch this meter closely. As you can see, there was a dramatic drop in the electromagnetic radiation by turning on that EMI filter. So another very, very important benefit of this product is that particular aspect of it. This concludes our demonstration, and if you have any more questions that you would have, or any questions that you need answered, you can simply go on our site, www.northamericanpowersavers.com, and if you have a question regarding the energy test report, the power as far as the power factor goes, just go to the products tab and go down to the bottom. There's the energy test section, and you can actually print off a PDF form of the power factor fact sheet, which I have a copy of right here. And reading through it, it'll explain a lot of what I was talking about during this demonstration and answer even more questions. I'm not going to get into detail with this because I don't want to get too long-winded. Hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Please get back to whoever gave you the information to get to this particular video or website, and hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.